Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay I know. Our topic for today is sound. This sound is described as voiced labiodental fricative. Voiced labiodental fricative. So this sound also poses a challenge for many non-native speakers of English who don't have this sound in their mother tongues. For instance, Yoruba. So, a typical Yoruba man will say university instead of university. Okay, so it's a challenge which can be, overcome with constant regular practice. Do you understand? So the Spanish symbols representing this sound are letter F as in of, letter V as in very, verse, average, leave, victor, vigor, knives. Next, PH as in nephew. You can also pronounce as a nephew. So it has two pronunciations. Okay, so nephew or nephew. Stephen, Stephen. Okay, so I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's class. So don't forget to follow me. Watch this video from beginning to end and learn. Like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.